Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin gaining one of the biggest listening of 2023. Now remember, Binance are the one about they are the backbone of Terra Classic because they are fully supporting this coin in terms of burning. Even Binance founder CZ is also fully behind Terra Classic coin, and they are not ready to give up on Terra Classic. Now in US, Binance US are planning to list Terra Classic coin. I know this is coming because of I know CZ himself. Remember, CZ have been supporting Terra Classic coin, and they are fully behind throwing their support for Terra Classic, and they will be supporting the Terra Classic network upgrade that is scheduled on 14th of February 2023. Now Binance US will soon list Terra Classic coin. Of course, that is going to be one of the biggest news for Terra Classic holders, because this is definitely going to affect Terra Classic positively. Now the US Binance US also, you can say that because of controlling volume in a single day, they control millions of dollars in a single day. Binance are one of the, I think you can say Binance are the biggest crypto exchange in the world. That is for me, and I believe that Binance US also are one of the top crypto exchanges. When you take a look at coinmarketcap.com, you discover these guys controls millions and millions of dollars on a single day. Now, Terra Classic getting listed by Binance US is going to help this coin to gain more holders in the US. I mean, more people will be buying Terra Classic, and I still know that I hope that they will be accepting also the 1.2% tax bond. Of course, Binance Exchange are accepting the 1.2% tax bond, and definitely listing Terra Classic on Binance US, I believe in the 1.2% tax bond, and with that, of course, definitely the bonding of Terra Classic will also increase, and I hope to see Terra Classic keep increasing in price before the end of the year. Hitting 1 penny, 1 cent is already getting possible, and let's hope that before the end of this year, Terra Classic will definitely hit 1 cent. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.